If you're moving to the island from out of province, you'll run into a few words in listings that mean something specific here, and getting them wrong can cost you. I'm Jeremy Tom, this is your weekly island update. A little while back, I walked through the different ways you can own a home here. Today, I want to do the companion piece, the words themselves, because a lot of buyers from out of town see these words in a listing and either guess wrong or scroll past something that could have been a perfect fit. Start with rancher. Out here, a rancher just means a single level home, everything on one floor, no stairs. It has nothing to do with acreage or a working ranch. It's the most sought after style in our area, especially with retirees, because you can age in it comfortably, so they tend to sell fast. Next, patio home. This one confuses people because it's not a legal category, it's a style. It usually means a smaller, single level, low maintenance home, often attached to one or two others, and often in a complex where the yard work is taken care of for you. If you see patio home, think easy living, not a specific type of ownership. Now the strata words, because this is where the real money questions live. A strata just means you share ownership of some common property with your neighbors and pay a monthly fee to maintain it. There are two kinds you'll run into. A building strata is most condos and townhomes. You own your unit, and the land and structure around it are shared. With these, the single most important thing to check isn't always the home itself, it's the strata finances. Look at the depreciation report and the balance sheet, because that's what tells you whether the monthly fees actually cover what's coming, or whether you're headed for a big special levy down the road, such as a new roof. That's exactly the kind of thing that your realtor can help you go through and interpret. A bare land strata is different. It's usually a complex of detached or patio homes where you own your lot outright and you share the roads and green space. You still pay a monthly fee, but you own the land that your home sits on. With any strata, the monthly fee varies a lot, so always ask what it is and what it covers before you fall for a place. Then there's pad rentals, which you'll see mostly in manufactured home parks. It means you own the home but rent the pad of land the home sits on, and you pay the park a monthly fee for that land. It's the lowest price to get in, which is the appeal, but that pad rent never goes away and it changes how the home is financed. Just know going in that you're buying the home, not the land. And one more you'll see attached to a lot of listings here, age restriction. Plenty of our communities are 55 and older. If you see that, it means at least one resident has to meet the age requirement to live there. Worth checking early to make sure you don't fall for a place that you're not eligible to live in. None of these are complicated once you know them, but they're the difference between reading a listing accurately and either overpaying or scrolling past the right home. When in doubt, ask. That's exactly what someone local is for. I'm Jeremy Tom, your local island realtor with Royal LePage Island Living. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next week. Vancouver Island, we're living the dream.